Good morning! Welcome back to the van build. Let's talk beds. If you look around, you see a ton of different types of beds. Everybody has it differently. Some people have full width. They just crawl in and out. No problem, but this van ain't wide enough to sleep that way. So then you have to sleep this way, and then it's actually a waste of space because you don't need that whole width. Other people have a slide out system, so it's a bench in the daytime and a bed in the nighttime. That's a good idea too, because that gives you space to make some extra cabinets there. We didn't do that. Some people have a bench already made by a manufacturer. You only have to stick it in, it folds out to a bed and back into a bench. Perfect. We didn't do that. Others have two benches with a table in the middle. You take the table out, sink it in the middle, and you have a full width bed. We didn't do any of that. Ken is a lot older than me. He has some health issues, so he cannot crawl over the bed and get off at the other end. He needs to get out sideways. So a slide out system that closes this gap won't work. Two benches would end up too small. You can't sleep on a narrow bed like that. It's okay for one night, but not for the whole week. So we tried something else. So Ken came up with this system. Bench in the daytime, bed in the nighttime, but not all the way. So it slides out just a little. Like this. Wide enough to sleep on. And if this one is out too, so you still have room to put your foot on the floor and get out easily. In the daytime, it will have a backrest 20 centimeters here. You slide over the mattress, put it in here, and you have a bed. I think it'll work. Ken doesn't like me filming. He likes to just continuously work until it's done, no interruptions. Fair enough. So this one's finished. I have to finish the other one because I basically do all the work inside the van. So let me show you how to make one, if you want to make one. Principle is simple. You make a frame. Then you just make a front frame. Like this. And then you put the boards on. One get attached to the bed frame, the other one attached, the next one attached to the sliding frame, etc, etc. That's my first job for today. And then I have to paint, varnish, make them all pretty. Oh, which screws did we use? Yeah. Okay, there you go. I've done it wrong. This is the next one. Done it wrong. First one was on the frame. Alright. Good, I saw that. Oh boy. I just realized something. I screwed all the ones in the back in. Of course the ones that slide out don't need to be screwed in the back. Look. Massive blunder. So I better undo. It'll have holes, won't harm it. I'll have to sand the back up a bit so it slides nicely still. But stupid. Just mindlessly working. I have to stay awake. Come on, Flippy. Do better. And then we had a board that is a lot thicker. Well, you're not supposed to complain, but Apart from boards being broken, useless because there's bark still on them, all of a sudden we have one board that is what thicker than the rest. I mean, we ordered all the same. I can't believe it. They have a lot to learn here. But if you make a cabinet, something where it's really precise, forget it. Do it in another country. Luckily for me, it doesn't matter here. There will be a cushion on top, like a mattress / bench cushion. But really, look at it. Okay, and then it was on. I'm missing one board here at the end and one across for underneath to keep these from going down or up. Ken's gonna cut that for me and then I can start painting. But boy, it's warm. It's heating up quickly. But the beds will be done today. If you think they're very short, that's correct. There will be a little cabinet here with a top board just under the window, and that's where the feet will go in. So yeah, they'll be long enough. Don't worry. With the sander I'm just going to smooth the edges so it slides easier in. It wants to sort of stop against it. We did it on this side, worked perfect. And you know me and big machines. Now I have to put the board in place. Still doesn't really want to go. Why? These are okay. This one seemed to be the problem. This one remains to be a problem. Why? Okay. Yes! I'm going to take this one off and sand a lot of it, put it back in, and we're good. Okay. One down, one more to go. And Ken just saved me a ton of work. I wanted to stain these and varnish them like 2-3 times. But he thinks it slides better if we do nothing. He's the boss of woodwork, so saves me a ton of work. But yeah, one more go on this and it'll be perfect. That times 2 and it's done. I just realized something else though. I never put the big board in the second bed. Ken cut it for me, but I never put it in. I was so eager to go painting. So it'll be touch dry by now, so I'll put it in now. So I had a nice shower, got the paint off my face, and I'm okay. The beds are in. This one is still a little tight. We'll play with it until it's perfect, but it's in.